Okay, so we're talking about the employment change of CAD. I just want to quickly define it over here for you guys to make sure you have optimal understanding of this. So when we're talking about the employment change, we're just talking about that it measures the change in the number of people employed. Job creation is an important indicator of consumer spending. So they're typically telling you that to measure the consumer price index, you can also use the employment change. That's another topic for another day in terms of the economics. I saw somebody said I'm misleading people by showing you what takes place on the chart rather than the database of this. The database of this, I can tell you, is relevant to the long-term movement or prediction of the market as far as economics is concerned, but rather the impact of the market is just scalping. So when I'm teaching you this is scalping techniques, and we spot a consistency that takes place in the market that can help you to predict the impact of that economic report that happens. But typically, if we're talking about true fundamentals, is you predicting the long-term impact and holding for weeks and even months. That's what we call true fundamental trading. Hence, I create a very big distinction of that. What I'm just showing you, just something that takes place consistently that you can use to predict the direction. I hope we can clear that up. Now let's go into the actual strategy here without wasting any further time. In fact, just before we can go into it, I can teach you here based on the resources that I can put on YouTube. In fact, they're a bit limited, hence we do have our course, our trading bootcamp that's going on. So news trading bootcamp that many of you guys can actually see the real strategies in terms of all trading news. This is just individual stuff that I spot on the market that consistently take place to a certain level, but I cannot reveal all the resources that we use in order to predict news. That can be found within our news trading bootcamp. It's a very cheap cost, but very valuable in terms of knowledge. So if you're interested in trading news, understanding the impact and how to predict thereof that impact, you're more than welcome. You can see the numbers on the screen over here. Now let's go into this again. So the strategy is quite simple that I want to communicate to you guys over here. This is a chart on CADJPY. Now you can use the correlation. It still keeps up to the correlation of the market right here. So a very simple thing that I identified is that, number one, you gotta identify the Asian session trend, on CADJPY. And that Asian session trend, the market is most likely to just trade against it. Okay, most likely gonna trade against it when the employment change comes up. I'll also give you another tip when it comes to yen pairs, when it comes to news trading, so listen carefully over there. It's gonna change your life. Now these are it's almost the same thing. In fact, yeah, almost the same thing. There was supposed to be another chart that I put over there. So over 3 or 4 occasions I see this taking place most of the time in the market, where if the market was bearish, if the market was bearish during Asian session, most likely when the employment change impact comes in, it comes in bullish. And then if it was bullish during Asian session, it's gonna sell during the impact. Now a good way to also just to simplify this whole thing, okay, you can see over here, this is the London trend that comes in. It will just simply follow the trend that starts that day in terms of yen pairs. So if you're gonna trade NFP and so forth, just look at the trend that the market starts off. It's just gonna follow it on your Japanese yen. Okay, I had other examples, I'm not sure why it didn't go through, but just simply know that to really predict the employment change, you just gotta follow the London trend that starts off that day, and it's just gonna follow that. Okay, now let's get into simple correlation here, negative and positive. Now base pairs, when the base pair goes bullish, the code pair goes bearish. What do I simply mean by that is that when we have CADJPY and CAD chef, for example, and they're bullish, it's most likely that CAD, or rather pound CAD as well as US CAD, yeah, US CAD basically is gonna go bearish. So usually what I trade is a combo of CAD JPY and pound CAD. If I'm buying CAD JPY, I usually just sell pound CAD. It does not go opposite. It will never break that correlation. Been trading this for quite a few years right now. It just simply goes ahead. Usually when this news comes up, also it's coupled together with NFP, so I usually just concentrate on NFP. But for those who wanna trade the employment change, this is the strategy they're off. It's quite a very simple thing that I see in the market and I follow it. The most powerful trading strategies is just spotting the simplest things in the market. Of course, we just gotta give you guys a disclaimer on this, that the information provided on this video, it's for educational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Forex trading involves a very big significant risk and may not be suitable for all investors, right? Always conduct your own research on this. Consult with a licensed financial advisor before making any trading decisions. Past performance does not indicate future results. Trading news can be particularly volatile and risky for some of you. You are solely responsible for any decision you make based on the trading on the information provided. What I can advise you on my side, backtest on a demo account as much as you can. See the consistency of what I'm talking about. When you're confident, you can go ahead and now trade it. That's how we practice, and that's how you receive a YouTube free strategy. Otherwise, our bootcamp is coming up. In fact, we're actually also taking people this week on, so you're more than welcome to just join us and be part of that. You can use the number that you see on the screen to contact our admin or our people, and they can assist you so much, or our email, or on our website. Just click the WhatsApp icon, then you can chat to us. We're not on Telegram, so don't chat to anybody on Telegram. Those are all scams. Okay, God bless you so much. Please do practice this trading method and let me know in the comment section. God bless you.